Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I am going to show you how to calculate the discharge or flow rate of a pipe in hydel power generation. So keep watching this video till end. Before going further, let me introduce you to my YouTube channel SolidWorks Tutorials and Engineering News, where you will find a huge quantity of videos regarding SolidWorks and engineering. So please don't forget to press subscribe button and this bell icon for all upcoming video notification. So to calculate the discharge in a pipe, we have to know the diameter of pipe and the net head of our project. For example, this is the model of micro hydropower project and we are going to calculate how much water discharge will this penstock pipe carry. So first of all we have to measure the diameter of this pipe and then the total vertical distance from this point to the shaft of turbine, which is also known as net head. For example, the diameter of pipe is 4 meter and net head is 15 meter. The formula which is used to measure the discharge of water is known as equation of continuity and it is the product of area and velocity. So first of all we have to measure the velocity of water at this point. To do that we have to use this formula. Velocity is equal to under root 2 into gravity into head. Let's calculate the velocity for 15 meter head. By putting the values in this formula, we get the velocity 17.14 meters per second. So this is our final velocity at this point. So now we have to calculate the area of this pipe. As the diameter of pipe is 4 meter, so the radius of this pipe is 2 meter. The area of a pipe could be evaluated by following formula. Area is equal to pi into r square. So by putting the values in this formula, let's put the values of our project in this formula. That is 3.14, which is pi into 2 square. 2 is the radius of our pipe. So we get the area 12.56 meter square. Now we are going to evaluate the discharge for our project by using this formula. Now putting the values of area and discharge in this formula, that is 12.56 which was our area and 17.14 meter per second was the velocity. We will get 215.2784 meter cube per second of discharge. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more. Thanks for watching and sparing time.